Hey, good evening, everyone. So, whenever we want to do trading during the Asia market session or any session, we need to identify which are the most bullish or bearish tickers for futures. So, for example, these are some of the most important futures. We can see that platinum is in the bearish, right? One is your change percentage is close to 1% down. Your overall trend is bearish. Your RSI is completely bearish in all different time frames. And then you can also see your swing cloud, your day trading cloud. They are in orange and red color. So that means there is a high possibility. So now if you go and see in 30-minute time frame, you can see that in 30 minutes also it is in a downtrend. So based on 30-minute time frame, there is a possibility for this one to go until 963, 955, 948. These are the targets. So in 30 minutes also it is in a downtrend. We got a sell. So what we need to do is we need to always take the sell signals because overall it is bearish and in a higher time frame also it is bearish. So you need to wait whenever there is a sell signal, we need to enter a short position. If there is a buy, ignore those buy signals. Just close those whenever you see a buy, just close the short position, but don't open a new long position. So platinum, same thing. Bitcoin also we can see everything red except 1 minute, everything is red. Silver also nearly same thing where you have everything red, everything red. So we'll be mainly looking, so there is possible it can come all the way to 29.78. We need to wait for the sell signals. Crude oil also, right? If it goes below 77, then it can come all the way to 76.92 because there is a buy order block here and also here. It may not go all the way till 76.77. Again, if you go and see in 30 minutes, you see that it is in a sell signal. So there is a high possibility for it to come and touch this swing cloud and then again bounce back. So around 76.8 is a target. So if this goes below 77.7, we can enter a short position on crude oil. So like this, you will identify which are the most bullish, most bearish. And then, for example, this natural gas, there is not much volume, right? And also just a 0.4%. These are market is closed for these ones. So mainly we'll focus and everything else is choppy, just moving up and down. There is not much volume and they are in a consolidation zone. So mainly we'll focus on either silver or crude oil, Bitcoin, gold. Gold also it is not you can go and create a sell signal and so that you don't need to keep watching the chart. So if you see that this one turned from green to red, this one turned from green to red. If you enable the price pilot, you can see that there is a huge sell order block. You got a sell signal, right? You have buy order block here, so it can come all the way to the bottom. So we can enter a short. Let us wait for a pullback. And then we can enter a short on crude oil. Silver also same thing. It came all the way down. What's the support? It may bounce back. And then once it touch, whenever we get this next sell signal, we can enter a short on silver. Same thing, platinum also. So we are waiting for the next sell signal on platinum, silver, crude oil, Bitcoin. These are the bearish tickers. I'm taking a short on crude oil. So our target is 76.92. So this is our entry. Overall, this is bearish. So we are expecting, so that will be around $150 if it goes to this point. This is our stop loss. Actually, crude oil and heating oil, they both move in same direction. Yeah, but yeah, the crude oil is going down. It should come all the way till here. It breaks the support, it can come till this point. So as of now, we took a short on crude oil. But as you know, we have different indicators. This is the beta indicator, which gives us what is the entry, what is the target, what is the stop loss, everything. So you know when to take the profits. Right? Even though it is $50, if you have 20 APA accounts connected, it is $1,000 profit. Right? Again, the reason why we took, right? Because beta algo gave us the entry that it is telling it is good to enter here. This is your first target. This is your second target. So beta gave us that confidence. Then we are not just depending on one. We are also looking at okay, this one it is everything is bearish. All the time frames are bearish. So we got confidence number two, right? So then we saw this price pilot. We saw there is a huge sell order block, and also there is a sell, right? S stands for sell. So we have this indicator also gave the sell signal. Top trend, right? You have the red background, sell, red cloud. So we got confidence from this one also. So like this, you have now this 100. If you made $100, the advantage with prop firms is you can copy this into 20, 30, 50 different accounts. Once you see a proper conference, proper setup, then you can copy the same trade. And even you make $100 in your non-working hours, right? Generally, 8 to 9 is a good time. 8 central to 9 central is a good time for crude oil, for metals, for NKD. So when it came touched all the right, the target one is done. So if I'm happy, I'll just buy it. That's it. So where is my crude oil? The same time I'm taking and making profit in my personal account. So at same time we are doing in personal account. You are taking the trades in prop firms, and you have unlimited potential once you take time to learn and practice. Because there are so many prop firms, and if you are taking one trade, that can get copied into 20 accounts, 30 or 50 accounts. Even you make $100, you copy that trade into 20, 30 accounts, that is $2,000 profit with one simple trade. Right? I told you why we took the so this is our confidence one. Then I looked at different ones. I saw that everything is showing that it will go down. So we went ahead and took it, and also I took it in the personal. So right within 15 minutes, you made some $100, $150 in your personal account. You are making some 100, 150 with one contract in one prop firm account. If the same I am connecting using Apex Copy Trader or Replicanto, if I am copying the same trade into 20 different other accounts, so that is nearly $2,000. So that is the advantage of the prop firm trading. So one is you are not just going with one, you are looking at multiple indicators, and once you get the confidence, you are going and taking the trade. Because there is a support here, only if it breaks this support, it may come to this point or this target. So we are happy with $150. Within 5 minutes, we made $150. So we took the profit. We don't need 500, 600 in one trade because the same trade you are copying into lot of other accounts. So you are multiplying your profit. You can scale up as much as you want. So that is how we are making 85-90% success with our options or stocks, where you look for the confidence between different indicators. When one of the indicator gives a sell, check if all others are also giving a similar direction. If all others are also giving similar direction, you can confidently, right? For example, heating oil also would have made nice profits, but that also you can see this is the entry. If you go to price pulse, it is completely bearish, completely bearish. Price pilot, you have sell orders, sell signal. Top trend gave a sell. But yeah, we don't want to take too many trades at the same time, so we just took the crude oil short. Now, if crude oil breaks this, it can go further here and here. There is a high possibility by, so if you see 30 minutes time frame, right? Based on 30 minutes time frame, also it is in the, you see here, 30 minutes is also in the sell. It went all the way from the bottom. You got a buy, went all the way to the top. Again did a double top and then sell signal. You have red background. So minimum it will come and touch the swing cloud. If it breaks the swing cloud, it can come all the way till 75.5. So, but again, we are not looking for huge targets. Even if we make 150, you copy that into 20 different accounts. That is nearly $2,000 to $3,000. So within 15-20 minutes, you made, right? Even with a personal account, you made 120, $130, right? Your hourly billing is maximum 50, 60, $70 here, and you cannot double it if you want. Right? Even if you are very intelligent, if you ask your employer to double your billing rate, they cannot do it. But if you spend the same time, try to learn, then instead of trading in one account, now you trade in two accounts. So you made 120 plus 120. Once you get confidence, trade in three accounts, 120 plus 120 plus 120, 360. So as you gain more and more confidence, you can keep on increasing until 500 accounts also, because there are 30, 40 different companies. Each company will give you 20, 30 accounts. So same trade, all you need is just wait for the confluence, right? When you get a perfect confluence like this, where everything is red, wait for the sell signal. We got a sell signal. When everything is green, wait for the buy signal. Then you will easily make 100, $150. So now there is a buy order block here. Came here, trying to bounce back. Also closed my personal account trade. So you are spending the time, same time you are making money with either EA accounts, BA accounts, your personal accounts. So you are multiplying your time, which is very valuable. Now, as I said, right now I got a sell, it came to the support. I'll again wait for the next sell signal. I won't take the buy because overall trend is bearish. It may go bounce back, again go back somewhere up, and then I may get next sell signal. And now it touched the support, trying to bounce back. It may go touch somewhere here, and then again, whenever I get the next sell, I can again enter. That time it may come all the way till here. Same thing, I'm waiting for a sell signal on silver. So overall, it is a bearish. It came all the way down, and then there is a small pullback. Now it may go touch this, and then I may get a sell signal. Whenever I get the sell signal, so how do you know it is bearish? By looking at price pilot or price pulse, you know it is completely the trend is bearish. 1 minute, 3 minutes, because of this pullback, they are green, but all the other time frames are bearish. So if I get a sell now, I can confidently enter a short. I can make another 100 $200 with one account with one contract. Again, we already set the notifications. So whenever we receive a notification on silver or crude oil, that we identified which are the tickers we need to focus. Generally, these are the most bearish tickers: platinum, crude oil, silver, and then soybean meal. Bullish, only natural gas, Ethereum, but there is not much volume. So look for tickers where your trend is bearish, your momentum is bearish, and wait for the sell signal. When this is green, this is red, will not take the buy. We'll only wait for the sell. So for platinum, we are waiting for the sell signal. In the same way for silver also, we may get a right. It may touch this point where this is our resistance. So if it is too much confusion, just use any one. So it may go here and then may touch this resistance. These are our targets once it touches the resistance. And when it is going close to that, you can also watch if other indicators are also. So overall, there is a red background, red cloud. That means it is bearish from top trend. Price pilot, as of now, it is all these time frames are bullish, but it may go touch this or touch this and then start dropping. If it breaks this resistance, then it can go all the way to the top. Right? As of now, this is the resistance. If it starts dropping, then this will be this will be a strong resistance. Otherwise, if price can break this resistance, then we'll go long. This will be our target. And touches the discount zone by order blocks. It started bouncing. Because overall trend is bearish, we want to stay with the trend, overall trend. So we are waiting for the sell signal. It may go a little bit up and then again start dropping. We want to enter sell at that point of time. Same thing with platinum also. Yeah, it went from the bulls, it went all the way. Touch that. So now we can enter, right? We got a sell signal. So now we can take it short. Okay, we'll take it on a personal account, but yeah, you can enter. Overall, the trend is bearish. It went and touched the sell order block, started dropping. We are waiting for a sell signal on crude oil. We are holding silver sell. Silver should drop and so platinum is in discount area. So it goes somewhere to the top, then it is better to buy and do a short. When it is at the bottom, it is a little risky. Gold is also very bearish. We want it minimum go till the midpoint. It is another 100 $150. It's silver. 870 to 840 is $150 with one account. And again, if you are copying into multiple accounts, that is another 2000. So even you don't trade with prop firm, Even if you trade in your personal account, it is nearly $250, right? Within less than 1 hour. That is much better than your billing rates. You don't need to trade during the working hours. You can trade nearly 23 hours a day. If you get up early, you can even trade in the morning hours, right? Europe session is also good for futures trading. There won't be much volume. It will be little slow, but there won't be much volatility. There won't be sudden up and downs. It will be just if you follow this, right? It came to the bulls, it went up. It went to the bears, it came down. Everything is red. So we know that there is more bearish momentum. So we were confident that it will drop. We got a sell signal. It made a big drop. So anyone has any questions, right? Again, it's up to you, right? Whether you want to learn, practice, right? Your jobs, even if you work for another 10, 20 years, there is no way our salaries will make a huge move. Whatever 2%, 3% they give, it won't even match the inflation. So unless you learn something and you practice consistently, there is no way you can have savings for your kids' education and all different things. You want to travel across the world. You want to need more money. Like, if you make insufficient in the current economy, then connected to trader weight. So if you go, you can connect to anyone, which right. If it is a prop firm, you can connect to trader weight. But if you want to do personal trading, like for example, let's say you have like maybe KL, control KL from here, you can do trading panel and you see all the numbers. For example, if you have account in IBKR, you click on IBKR, provide your credentials. Then when you take trades here, they will happen in your IBKR account. If you want to buy stocks, you can use Webull, or you can do futures and trade station, trader weight, like that. Trade here. There are a lot of different types of accounts. Whichever you want, you can use them. Option trading, I think for India, I think they have options, but I don't think if you want to use trading view, you should use TraderWeight. If you want to use some algorithms like Prism or Spectrum, then you need to have NinjaTrader. Otherwise, you can take Apex TraderWeight accounts. Yeah, IBKR is giving a live paper trading account. You don't have any delay. Yeah, IBKR got 24/7 support. But again, right, crude oil, when is the good time to short it? So when it comes here and you see a red candle, if it touches this and then you see a red candle, you can again go short because that is where there are a lot of sell orders. Price will start dropping. There are a lot of buy orders here, but because the overall trend is bearish, we did not go long. Otherwise, we would have made another $150 here because there are 1,000 point, 1.9, 1.6. And there is the discount area. Discount area generally time to go long. Any approach guys, you can use one or two rhythmic techniques. So you can take advantage of both. Can you take advantage of using the trading view. And in the evening times, you can also use 2 minutes or 3 minutes. For 10 minutes. With one resist. So you can go for 5 minutes to 10 minutes. And now crude oil can start moving up into the discount area. But we don't want to go long because overall it is bearish. Trend is bearish, momentum is bearish. We want to wait for the sell signal. Whenever we so already it is in a sell, came all the way down. We want to wait for a pullback. If it goes a little bit up and then starts dropping, then we want to take a shot. Yes, Sudhir, you can send me your machine ID. You can message me your machine ID. I'll check your Prism access and then This time it may break this resistance because there are more buy orders here. If you sell orders, you try to break this. Keep breaking the water signal. Your red line turned to green. At 3 minutes breaking, it came all the way to the top of the bottom. Thank you also. Yeah, again, I don't want to take more time. Because if we take a trade, again, we may have to wait for another 15-20 minutes. But yeah, that is the potential, that is the advantage. Yeah, you just spend time every day between 8 to 9 or 8 to 9:30 central. You can make $100 to $200 easily every day. You just wait for the confluence where everything is green. Wait for a buy signal. If everything is red. Wait for a sell signal. That's it. We'll have minimum one or two tickers like that. We're completely bullish or completely bearish. And then just enter them. Make $100, 150 with one account. Copy the same trade into another 20, 30 accounts. Initially, you will do it on the challenge accounts. Once you convert those challenge accounts into the real accounts, then you will actually start making money. First 1 2 weeks, you have to complete the challenge. So make 200, 300 every day. Within 2 weeks, you will be able to complete the challenge. After 2 weeks, they will give you the real account where you make 90% of the profits is completely yours. You without using your own money, you can make money and you can scale up as much as you want. That is the major advantage with prop firm trading. No, we did not get a sell on silver again. Yes, Sudhir, I gave permission access to your machine. You should be able to use the algo now. Sunil, can you generate the machine ID properly using your last name at the end? In the morning time, it will be much more faster, much more quicker. So evening time, the advantage is you won't have sudden surprises, sudden news, sudden drops, but it will be little slow. With patience. For example, if this goes here, then it will drop. But you need to wait with patience for it to go and touch this one. Whenever it touches this, again you will get a sell signal. You can make another $100 gain. In the same way, crude oil, you got a sell, but still there is no proper sell order block or anything here. So it is little risky. So if it touches a sell order block and then you get a sell, that is more you can enter with confidence. Here without any sell, so if it goes and touch this and then you get a sell, that is good. As of now, three is bullish. All these are red, but a little risky trade. So we can wait for some more time. If it goes here, that is the best time to enter short. There are nearly 2.4 thousand sell orders. Touches the buy order block, you got a buy. It went all the way to the top. So when it touches buy order, you get a buy signal, that is good. Or when it touches sell order block, you get a sell signal, that is good. All other signals you can ignore. Yeah, okay, everyone. In the morning time, we can yeah, make the profits much quickly because there will be more volume. So this time is mainly for new beginners where you can trade with less risk. You have to give some time, but you can make 100 to $200 every day with low risk. You need to have real time data if you are seeing price discrepancy, and also always you need to connect to the Ninja Trader first before connecting to any other connections. Yeah, Sunil, I provided you access. So if anyone want to, right, you can use two micros with MQ, and you can do automated trading with low risk. Just enable Prism and use two MNQs, and automatically the algo will take the trades.